now I'm going to show how to reload it. And this is how you reload it. Sit back down. See these two tabs? Pull them back and... But first you have to do this all the way until you can see that. Oh, and this is to be opened when something doesn't work in the Nerf gun to check the bullets. And now and then all you have to do is see that slot? Just push the little entire thing into the slot. And then cock it, and then you're ready to fire.